The color fiber optic amplifier, CCV21 intelligent. 4-channel can remember 8 colors. Press the home key and the C key 5 times simultaneously, and press yes to confirm the parameter reset. This interface indicates that the parameters have been reset. Press the T key in front of the red square in channel 1, and press the set key for other colors. The first channel has stored the red color. Align the color probe with the green button you want to recognize, and the down arrow to switch to the second channel, then press the set key. Press the set key for colors you don't want to recognize. The third channel has completed the storage of yellow. Press more and the down arrow to switch to the fourth channel. Press the button for the blue square you want to identify. Press the color key for other colors. Red is the first channel, green is the second channel. Yellow is the third channel, and blue is the fourth channel. 4-channel output memory can distinguish over 300 colors with 8 color memories. It has higher adaptability to object changes such as shape, position, inclination, and surface gloss.